What's happening?
It's like rotating my head. Like feel it behind my ear.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is number 6. Should I stop or just keep going?
Okay, that's good. And just slide off gently. You're giving it some love. So, loosen the rest of those. Okay, and then what we'll do is we're going to come just slightly in front of it. If we take a look at this picture, what we want to do is we just straddled your SCM muscle. Now we're going to try to impact one of these ones, which is up underneath it. Okay? So what I'll do is I'll do a little placement. And it's about right. Oh, did you see that? What's it doing?
It's bringing my trap up.
There you go, raising that shoulder. Yeah, so we want to get relaxed enough, so we're trying to create a contraction. All right, so now I'm going to have you do it.
Okay.
And now once you kind of press in gently, sometimes just changing, you leave the balls where they are and just change the handle.
Okay.
Remember, this is picking up 3 million of your electrical signals. So the slightest move will move you across your fascia and pick up a new signal. It's like it jumps on a new track. There we go. How's that feel?
Good.
Feels a little weird, but feels good?
Yeah.
No pain?
Nah.
Now see how you kind of got that really hard drop? Go ahead and power down on your power, because what we don't want to do is, pull a muscle.
Yeah.
Okay? And are you on about a count of 6?
I think this is like 4.
Okay.
So maybe one more.
And then we'll go to the other side.
Cool.
You doing okay?
Yeah.
Is this side less responsive, or is it more affected and you need more power?
Oh, yeah, maybe.
So you can sit and hold that for a little bit.
I don't know. I'm
All
having a
right,
hard time with
I'll
it.
give it a try.